nose cone sorted. Let that dry in the office, cupboard, room, stores, whatever you want to call it. I've got loads of all the shit that was in the orange bits, flatted a couple, and they was coming through bright red. Some twat didn't strain it properly. Most of it I'll get away with because there's not a lot of shit in the other bits. This one had loads. So the outside of the tank, I've just flatted it, 800 grey scotch. I've got it up in base coat because it's sunk and all, it just looked crap, weren't happy with it. So I'm going to base and clear this, polish bollocks out of it so it's nice and shiny. And then all I've got left is the black, satin black. Oh, you didn't know that, did you? Well, the other bits are satin black. Right, so I think this Ben's bike's all done. So I'm a bit of a lurg at the minute, so I sound like a mong, as well as looking like one. Spin it round, let's have a look. Hold on. This is the picture we was given. Can you make it look like that? And this is what we've come up with. Hopefully he'll be happy with it. I'm fairly happy with it. The only thing I'm not happy with is the way it fits, but I don't know how these, I think they're like copy moulds of original panels. Don't know if they have to fit nicely for these race bikes or what. There's a couple of bits still need trimming off and adjusting, whatever, but I'll leave it up to him. He knows what he can get away with. I'll stick a link, well, not a link, in the description. I'll put the names of the colours, the codes. It's set in black.
You alright?
Alright, you alright?
Huh?
Hey?
I thought you were talking about it.
I am talking to you. You never talk back? Hey? Hopefully he'll be happy with it. The other one done.